everyone, welcome to Prime Nova News, your trusted source of news from around the world and here at home.
Today, we bring you updates on international affairs, national news, sports, school activities, weather, and entertainment.
I'm Miel Murillo, your anchor for today.
And I am Andre Manalo. Let's start with our first news. Over Margaret Gatwangko for World News.
I'm Margaret Gantuanco, your world news. And now, our top news comes from Iran in the Middle East.
Tensions remain high between Iran and Israel, and countries such as the United States are closely monitoring the situation.
Warn these developments could affect global peace, stability, and oil prices. Back to you, Miel.
Thank you, Marga. I'm Miel Murillo with National News, here at Prime Nova News. Breaking news in the Philippines. The Department of Transportation has launched a pilot program for electric buses in Metro Manila. These buses are designed to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution, providing commuters with a cleaner and more sustainable travel option. The program also includes training for drivers and personnel to ensure the buses are properly maintained. Officials encourage commuters to use these buses and support the country's move toward greener transportation. If the pilot proves successful, several cities plan to expand the program nationwide, which could transform public commuting across the Philippines. Back to Andre Manalo for sports coverage.
Thank you, Miel. In sports news, American figure skater Ilya Malinin recently won the gold medal at the figure skating championship. He impressed the judge and fan with difficult jump, including the quadruple axel, one of the most challenging moves in figure skating. Experts consider him one of the best figure skater in the world today, inspiring young athletes worldwide. Thank you. Back to you, Miel.
Thank you. Now let's hear about school news. Over to Aaron Descota.
A waste management program is now being implemented at Hermosa National High School Annex to promote cleanliness and proper sanitation on campus. Students are encouraged to practice proper waste segregation by placing their trash in the order to bins labeled biodegradable and non-biodegradable and recyclable. They are also reminded to keep their classroom and surroundings clean at all times. According to the school administration, maintaining a clean environment is everyone's responsibility. The program aims to help students become more disciplined while creating a cleaner and healthier learning environment. Back to you, Miel.
Thank you, Aaron Descota. Now let's check today's weather.
Available right with your weather forecast here at Prime Nova News. Today, some regions will have partly cloudy sky with scattered afternoon rain. Temperature are expected between 25 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Residents are advised to carry umbrellas, wear light and comfortable clothes, and stay hydrated during the sunny interval. The forecast for the next few days show mild conditions with occasional rain, so plan your outdoor activities accordingly.
I'm Lian Santos, your entertainment news here at Prime Nova News. Singer and actress Selena Gomez recently celebrated her birthday with her boyfriend, music producer Benny Blanco. She shared photos online and fans worldwide sent greetings and message of support. Selena continues to shine in music and acting, including her hit series Only Murder in the Building. Back to you, Miel and Andre.
And that's the latest news from around the world here in the Philippines, our school, sports, and entertainment.
Thank you for watching Prime Nova News. Stay informed, stay safe, and have a wonderful day. We are your news team signing off.